Welcome, and today we build.
I was doing everything at once. It was getting a bit long, so what I did, I made my way down the whole way with blocks, all the way down. That was close, and I've dug a hole in each side for the powered rail. So I will get this done with the rail now, speed it up so you can get a good going of what I'm doing. So I'll get this done now for you. Okay, I'm not quite sure where I'm going to have it finish at. I want to go down here and open up this way into a big room and have maybe some storage and all that way, so I can just mine and stay down here and carry what I need up. So I'll probably end up mining out that way and have that run back here. So what I'll do now is I'll just put some power and stuff onto this, and we'll give it a testing up. And yeah, I made way too much stuff. I thought I'd need a lot more, and so it took me and the wife, I can't remember how long to get all this stuff, and so she's pretty tired after it all. And yeah, so I did not need it at all, and now I've got a lot of extra. So let's see if it works. Ah, okay. Did not think about that. Okay, let's get rid of that. Put that there. Alright, so that now works. Let's go on one more trip back down. Alright. Oh. Don't know why I got a bit hurt there. Well, at least it all works, so I can get that. And I'll take that wherever I need it to now. Sweet. Alright. I will dig out this mine here, make it look all, let's not say fancy, I'll just make it lazied up, and I'll be back when it's finished. Hi guys, and welcome back. I am so excited. I finally finished all this mining and elevatoring and all that stuff, and I am super excited to show you what's going on. So we'll go down, we'll have a look, and I'll let you guys see. I know it's probably not going to be as good as you guys have seen before, but hell, for a first time and a first go, I think I did bloody well. So I'm so happy this has been finally finished. Took me way too long. Boom, done. And I'm out. Right. And I just keep them up in here so I don't lose them, because I have no idea how to do a return or anything like that. So just got a few here, just make some stone, because although it's been made out, I want to turn it all to stone. So I'm going to take all this down, stone it all out, and what I'm doing is I've got all these chests here, just hell, I figured I'd deck it out. A few things: diamond, gold, coal, iron, redstone, lapis. I haven't found any diamonds or gold yet, but I haven't really done much down in this mine. So I'm going to do one facing south. It's going to go all the way down. Then I'm just going to branch off and come all the way down that way. And I'm going to do the same on the east and the north. As you can see, I've already gone down on this one. I'm so happy to be done with the major work of this place, and I'll be able to start finding things now. Hopefully I'll get some diamonds, because doing it all with a damn iron pick has been a pain in my ass. So I'll do some mining. Hey guys, and after about 5 damn hours of mining and a fair few iron picks, I've finally come across my first diamonds. Well, I'll get these out, mine them up, and continue on. I just thought you'd like to share this moment with me. My first diamonds on the game. So look what I found on my way out from mining. A big hazardous work area. So it looks like I'm gonna have to fix it up. I've already dumped some water in, but damn, it wasn't enough. And for some reason the waterfalls are not letting me collect water. So I'm thinking I might just build over there and have a look around and do more mining in a little bit. So let's go have a look. That worked out. Go away. Haha. Sucked in. So as you can see, I've done a fair bit of mining. I've only gotten a bit of trash. So it's been a bit of a pain in the ass. Let's put some torches down. And of course now we have... oh, not cool. Ah, of course. Got stuck. Alright, now we're back. At least I didn't have the diamonds on me, so let's go find all the junk. Should be pretty easy to spot since it's a big heap of crap in the middle of nowhere. Alright. Oh, bloody hell. Where was it? Here we are. Oh, that was close.
Hun got blown up by a creeper again in the exact same spot.
Oh my god.
I know. Alright. Everything's a mess now. That'll do for now. Let's have a look around. Oh sweet, more diamonds! Uh-oh, creeper too. Come on, creepy. Come on. Piss off. Oh, that was close. Alright, come on, let's get back up to here. Oh, what now? Just leave me alone. Oh, bloody lucky. Just got attacked by a zombie and a skeleton again. No, it's been a bit rough.
A little bit.
Just gotta make sure there's nothing around that will prevent me from getting all my diamonds. I really don't want to get killed or lose them, since this is the second lot I've found in all day. Actually, I've been doing this most of the day and I've gotten nothing but cobblestone, really. Not even much coal. I wonder if I should call it quits or go looking up there. Well, I might put a door on that and keep this as my little exploration place. And little creepy friend over there. Alright. What else? What's over this way? Of course, more lava. What else would it be? Well, at least I can use this place to get some obsidian where I need it, and I'll watch out for that. Give me all your life. I might start making some bows, so I don't have to get up close and personal with these SOBs.
And we're back after doing a little bit of mining. As you can see, I've dug down a fair few places here, and I have also started off over down, well, not really down there, but up here. This is just where I go to get lapis if needed. Had to Google how to find it, found out it's best between level 17 and 19, so that's what that's for. And I think I've decided what I'm actually going to do for my base, and I'm going to change it all up and do like a little castle looking thing that goes into the mountain. So the little hut that I've built up there is just a little thing. So what I've got here is the cobblestone to turn to stone and stone, all that stuff that I would like to use, and my mouse. There we go. And I'm going to use maybe some DDR, I'm not sure, but I want to use polished andesite, this one here, because I accidentally made something that looked pretty awesome. So I've made all this, and I've got a couple of diamonds now, a little bit of coal, fair amount of redstone, not much lapis, a little bit of iron. So I think I'm going to try and make a little bit of a setup that I found on, well, YouTube. Found out it was a lot harder than I thought. I've been messing about with it for about a few hours. I just couldn't get it, so I'm hopefully going to get it now, and hopefully it will actually work for me. And use that. So I'm going to make the furnace system. I've no idea how to make it properly automated, and shoot, I need chests. Okay, I'll have to go get some chests. So I'm going to do the hoppers, furnaces, chests, and all that stuff. I have no idea how to actually do it. Oh, no idea how to do it really well and with all redstone and that, so I'm just going to do a simple one. And hopefully it works and I can make it look pretty. Come on. Alright, so... Oh, no. Alright, well I will cut and I'll get back once I've got my hoppers made. So I've gotten all the stuff I need hopefully to build this thing, and what I'm going to use it for is to get all the blocks I need to make a little castle base. And I'm going to put it over here, and I'm going to try and deck this all out and make this nice. And this is I'm going to try and turn it more circular and have this as a little walled-in garden thing. Started over there with the trees, fountain, flowers. So right now I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to hopefully put the system thing here in the corner. Actually, where will I put it? Yeah, here will do. I'll have the chest in the ground and the other bits facing, well, going up here, and hopefully I'll just cover it up and make it look nice. So where's a shovel? Gotta go get a shovel. Alright, let's see if I can do this without cutting or thinking, or let's just see if I can get it done. Alright, I think it's time for some speed. Let's get this done quick. Right, they're all going to there. I just need one more. Really? One more? Oh, I can make it as good. Yay for incorrect math. Alright, let's make it up. Okay.
So if I'm lucky... Oh yay, it works! Look at that ugly monstrosity. So we've got nothing in there, there. That would pump into the... Yeah. Shouldn't be. So there. Bubble. Should be more. Bubbles. Bubbles. So it's all in there. Oh right. It may be ugly, but it frickin' works. Alright, that is one big ugly mess. I'll have to actually learn and figure out how to build that better. In the meantime, this is just making those, so I'm going to AFK and let it do its thing until I have all the I need. So I'm gonna try and make something out of that, and I'm probably gonna get some more andesite anyway. So I'll actually mine while I wait for that. So I'll just chuck all the stuff into. Actually, I should fix it up while I'm here. Put the rock in there. Put more dirt in there and crap. Oh, okay, there's the rock wall. Right, let's put all this junk in. I'll keep that. Now I've got space for that down there. That can go in. That too. And that. Alright, that's the inventory organization until I have to decide what I'm going to label all that. Alright, I'm going to go mine some andesite, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and if you like watching me flounder around trying to work something out, hit the like button and please subscribe. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.